Hello students, how are you? Fine. Okay, I'm also fine. Now standard 4 subject maths chapter 2 long and short. We have to here learn about part 4 how far. Okay, so we have to learn about this topic how far today here. Here you see some picture. Okay, see here from Gandhinagar to Himatnagar. Okay, Subodh is going to Gandhinagar, which is 21 kilometers away. Manjari is going to Himatnagar, which is 43 kilometers away in the opposite direction. Okay, so how far Gandhinagar from Himatnagar? You already see here the picture. Here is distance of Gandhinagar 21 kilometers and distance of Himatnagar is 43 kilometers. Okay, you see here clearly. Now we have to find how far is Gandhinagar from Himatnagar. See here, जब हमें डिस्टेंस काउंट करना है तो हमें पहले गांधीनगर से हिम्मतनगर का डिस्टेंस काउंट करना है. तो जो गांधीनगर का डिस्टेंस है 21 किलोमीटर और हिम्मतनगर का डिस्टेंस है 43 किलोमीटर, इन दोनों को प्लस करना है. प्लस करने से हमें मिलेंगे 64 kilometers. Okay, that's way we find distance between two places. Here is Gandhinagar and Himatnagar. Here is Subodh and this is Manjari. Both of them going from opposite direction. Okay, that's where we find the distance between two different places. Okay, now we have to see some more about the distance. See here, how far is your home from school? See here, Mahesh comes to school from very far. He first walk about 400 meters to the pond with slipper in his hand. After then, he walks 150 meters through the pond. Next, he runs across the 350 meters wide green field. Okay, after then, he carefully crosses the 40 meters wide road to reach his school. Okay, महेश स्कूल से जाते हुए, घर से निकलते स्कूल जाता है तो उसे कहाँ कहाँ से जाना पड़ता है? सबसे पहले वो जहाँ से जाता है वो है सबसे पहले पॉन्ड, आफ्टर देन फील्ड, आफ्टर देन क्रॉस रोड एंड लास्ट he reached at school. Okay, see here we see Mahesh is going to school. So we have a question here कि महेश कितने टाइम में, मतलब कि कितना मीटर या किलोमीटर चल के स्कूल पहुंचता है. How much does Mahesh walk every day to reach school? See here, when we start from his home. Okay, first of all we have to count about 400 meters, after then 150 meters, after then 350 meters plus 40 meters. We have to add 400 plus 150 meters plus 350 meters plus 40 meters. Okay, that's way he reached the school. So we have to add these numbers. These numbers we have to add and we find the meters of the Mahesh actually spent with his from to home to school. Okay, so here is he reached 940 meters does Mahesh walk. Okay, now next question is it more than 1 kilometer? You know about this, that 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. I am repeating here, 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. So you have know about that 940 meters, because it's not more than 1 kilometer. So Mahesh is walk 1 kilometers, more than 1 kilometer. So we answered that no, because 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter and Mahesh walk 940 meter to go to school, to reach to school. Okay, so we have to understand and learn about how far one distance to one state, one city to another city, one place to another place. That's where we find how can we reach one place to another. Now when you go to school, you already know, and your friend also go to school with you. So you have to write here your friend's name and distance of home from school, and that's where you how many kilometers or meters you have to come to school, and you have to walk there. Okay, that's where you have to write here your own numbers and distance from your home to school, and you have to answer this question in these blanks. Okay, so now how long is the thread in a reel? आपकी मम्मी जो सिलाई करती है उसकी जो रील होती है, इसमें कितनी स्ट्रिंग्स होती हैं, थ्रेड होते हैं, या फिर आप जब काइट फ्लाइंग करते हो जनवरी में 14 जनवरी को काइट फ्लाइंग का फेस्टिवल आता है ना, तो आप काइट फ्लाई करते हो, तो इसमें भी वो जो उसकी फिरकी बोलते हैं उसे, इसके अंदर भी रोल में कितनी थ्रेड होती है वो आपको अप्रोक्सीमेटरी फार्म करना है. फिर हाउ लॉन्ग इज़ द स्ट्रिंग ऑफ अ काइट रील, उसमें कितना है, कैन बी मोर देन अ किलोमीटर लॉन्ग इफ़ अ हैंडकरचीफ इज़ मेड फ्रॉम सिंगल थ्रेड. सो हाउ लॉन्ग वुड दैट थ्रेड बी. ओके, सो आपको ये सब ओरली फाइंड करना है कि आप किस तरह से ये गैस कर सकते हो और फाइंड कर सकते हो कि आप कितना मीटर या किलोमीटर इसमें जो ऑब्जेक्ट्स है वो यूज़ होता है. ओके, सो नाउ हियर इज़ अ सम पोएम. सो यू हैव टू sing this poem, and after then you have to orally answer these questions. Okay, so I am here singing a poem. I wish I were a kite so that I could rise above this building's height. I wish I were a bird so that I could fly and reach above that kite. I wish I were a cloud so that I could move above those little birds. I wish I were a plant so that I could rise above the clouds and the hills. Okay, so here is a so much pretty poem, and you have to sing this poem, and you have to find this question of the poem orally. Okay, so you have already enjoyed this class today. Okay, you have to already sing this poem. Okay, so thank you class.